Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that Android enthusiasts absolutely love: customization. We're talking about taking control of your device's aesthetic and making it truly reflect your style. If you're tired of the same old default colors and want to infuse some vibrant personality into your Android 12 or newer device, then you're in the right place. We're about to introduce you to an incredible application called ColorBlendr. This isn't just another theme app. It's a powerful tool that puts the reins of material you color customization directly into your hands. ColorBlendr is designed to elevate your creative expression by offering unparalleled control over your material you colors. Gone are the days of being limited to palettes derived solely from your wallpaper. With ColorBlendr, you can instantly tweak every aspect of your device's color scheme for a deeply personalized touch, all in just a few taps. It's about transforming your phone from a generic gadget into a unique extension of yourself. Before we jump into the installation process, it's crucial to understand requirements for ColorBlendr to work its magic. You'll need an Android 12 or newer device, a working root or Shizuku environment. First, you'll need to download the ColorBlendr APK file. Download link is available in video description. Once installed, open the ColorBlendr app. It will immediately request certain permissions to function correctly, such as access to files or system settings. It's crucial to allow these permissions for the app to work as intended. Next, the app will prompt you to choose between root mode or Shizuku mode. If your device is rooted, select root for the most comprehensive and unrestricted experience. And just like that, you're in. Now you are officially good to go. The ColorBlendr interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to dive into customization right away. Now that ColorBlendr is installed and configured, the fun truly begins. Go ahead and experiment with different colors, saturation levels, and lightness settings. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform the look and feel of your Android device. It's all about making your phone uniquely yours. In ColorBlendr, just like accents, you can control the vibrancy of your background elements, ensuring your entire UI has a cohesive and pleasing aesthetic. For those of us with AMOLED screens, this is a game changer. ColorBlendr allows you to achieve a true, pure black-dark mode, saving battery and providing that incredibly deep contrast. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to install the ColorBlendr app on your rooted Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow Android enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials, app reviews, and all things Android customization. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.